Alright, how's it going guys? ABC here, and today we are actually going to be doing the Arbiter Sword Relic quest in A Pirate's Tale. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come over to Ark Isle right here on your map. You can kind of see where I am. There's a lot of people blocking me. But you're just going to want to talk to this strange bottle, which it should say like there's something inside the bottle. And then you just examine it and it'll say like some guy's love letter or something, just basically saying that his ship got destroyed or something. I don't know. But you read the letter, do all of this, and then once you get done with this part, you're actually going to probably want to reset, and you're going to want to go to Docktown, and there should be a bartender that you talk to. I'll just cut it up for you guys so you see when I actually get there. Alright guys, so now we have arrived at Docktown. If you just want to know where the location is, it's right here in the slap dab middle. You're going to find this bartender and you're going to want to talk to him. He should be like, what can I do for you? Not any of these. I think this belongs to you. You should give him the letter. And then he'll be like, oh no, I was afraid this was the case. He's been gone for 6 months, so I just assumed the worst. What was he doing? He was part of an expedition transferring cargo from the familiar territory to the Frostlands. Why the Frostlands? I'm pretty sure, blah blah blah. So you're just going to want to go through all this guy's, dialogue pretty much. Just make sure you go through all of it. I can't believe I don't even have the mementos to remember him. I can look at it for you, blah blah blah. Oh, what happened? Really? That would be amazing, thank you. Alright, so that's probably all the dialogue, guys. Now the next step after you do that is you're going to want to head over to Frostlands, and you should be able to find the guy there. I'm just going to chop it up so you guys can actually see when I get there. Okay guys, we are back here at Frostlands. Actually, if you look on the map right here, I could kind of show you guys. Near this like little cluster of people right here should be where my cursor is. There should be just a little bit of a cave entrance. You should go into it, and then there should be a guy in here named EG whatever, and then just talk to him. He'll give you some dialogue. No way are you here to rescue me. Just keep talking to him. Oh, thank the maker, so my wife is okay then. La la la, let's not keep her waiting. Let me scroll up here. Okay. Our expedition was attacked by some large creature. It wasn't the Kraken, it was much faster and more agile. Okay, come on. I managed to swim my way to shore and made camp here. I've survived off of warm drinks and scully bone marrow. Dude, look at the color of those drinks. That's yellow. I think this guy's been drinking his own pee. I think he's been drinking his own pee. That's kind of gross. I'm forever in your debt for saving me, but if you don't mind, I'd like to go home now. Okay, go home, bro. Alright, I think we're now getting teleported. I didn't know that we got teleported like that. Or no, he's teleporting. Alright, so now we're back here, and apparently after we do this, I don't think we could access this chest yet. We need to actually go and talk to the wife of him. So I'm just going to chop it up once again, guys, and we will come back when I am at the wife. Alright guys, so now we are actually back at Docktown. What you're going to want to do is talk to this bartender's wife, and she will actually have a bunch of dialogue for you. I can't really show you guys it since I've already done it, but she's basically just going to thank you for finding her husband. You're going to get a title. I don't really remember which the title was called. And then after that, you guys are actually going to want to head kind of right here where these guys are. It's kind of between Ashlands and Frostlands, but I'm just going to cut it up once again, and you guys will see when I am there. Alright guys, so now that we finished talking to that bartender, we're just going to go ahead and come over here. If you look on your map, we're kind of in between Ashlands and Frostlands. You're going to see two skeletons, dead skeletons. I mean, all skeletons are dead, on a crate, and then you just come under here. I do recommend you guys bring a diver's helmet, because you are probably going to need it. Hopefully, I think one of these guys are going to show me where the captain is. And basically what you're going to want to do is come and talk to this captain over here. And then he should give you a key, I believe. And then with that key, I think he's just down here. Is he in this one? Yeah, I think he's in this one, right? Go down here. Should be somewhere around here. I swear he's here. Yeah, here we go. So he's kind of right here. If you look on the map, kind of really hard to show you guys. It's somewhere in this cluster. Too many people here, man. You're just going to want to talk to this dead captain, and then you're going to find a key. I wonder what it opens. And actually, after you grab the key, all we really need to do is go back to Frostlands where that one guy was hiding, that Morty guy. Just going to try and show you guys a better area of where the key, or the dead captain is. So this is kind of the ship he's in, so that you guys will know what to look for. And yeah, we basically are just going to go over to Frostlands and open up that key, and that should give us a sword. Alright guys, we are back at Frostlands now. We're just back at the little cave entrance. It's just right here on the big cluster of people. After you do all of that, after you get the key, you're just going to want to come up to this chest right here and click it. And just like that, you will get the Arbiter title. And you will also get the Arbiter blade. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I will be making more stuff in the future. I guess I could kind of show you guys how it looks like before I turn the stream off here. Here, let's just equip it. There we go. This is it actually looks really nice, man. But yeah guys, ABC, and I will see you guys later.